Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, after weeks of tension, heated exchanges and threats, the JLP's Central Executive has decided to go back to the drawing board to select a candidate for North Central St. Andrew. This follows the official withdrawal of Delano Seawright and Christian Tavares Finson. Andrea Chisholm explains.
A handful of JLP supporters at the party's Belmont Road headquarters on Sunday for the top-level meeting. A number of JLP officials were also spotted on the premises. Among them, the current MP for North Central St. Andrew, Carl Samuda.
I know exactly what you are worth, and I don't want you here. I don't want the Prime Minister to come and say that my constituents are out here. Please, go home.
Okay, Mr. Sir.
I didn't come here expecting to see people gathered here. Those days in the Labour Party are over.
Tension has been high in North Central St. Andrew since Mr. Samuda announced he would not be seeking re-election. In one corner, some supporters want Deputy Chairman of the constituency, Senator Delano Seawright, to get the seat. For others, attorney-at-law Christian Tavares Finson should get the nod. There was also speculation that Mr. Seawright, who has been working in the constituency for quite some time, was being sidelined. That fueled heated exchanges and threats of street protests, forcing Mr. Seawright to hit pause on campaign activities. Following Sunday's meeting, a release indicated that Mr. Seawright and Mr. Tavares Finson have formally withdrawn their application to be selected as the party's candidate. TVJ News understands that Mr. Seawright announced the withdrawal in person, but Mr. Tavares Finson sent a letter with his father, veteran politician and attorney-at-law Tom Tavares Finson. The release further states that the party's secretariat will now consult with key stakeholders in the coming weeks to restart the process of finalizing a candidate.
I'm satisfied with the meeting because, you see, the Prime Minister capsuled everything in the appropriate way and gave the appropriate advice.
Mr. Samuda has been MP for North Central St. Andrew since 1980, winning on both the JLP and PNP tickets. It's left to be seen how the matter will be settled as the party struggles to maintain unity ahead of the general election. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.